All right, Rachel, thank you. Well, as the snow and ice approach Connecticut, people across the state are preparing to weather the storm. The Connecticut DOT has pre-treated many roads, but Governor Lamont is still urging people to be cautious and drive slowly if they need to be outside. Fox 61's Stephen Reels shows us more of what's being done before this new round of winter weather hits.
The race to prepare is on here in the state of Connecticut. In fact, several of the managers at different hardware stores I've spoken with have said that ice has been on the top of people's mind. So this de-icer and every single one of these shelves filled with salt and calcium chloride, they tell me it's expected to sell out before the storm hits on Thursday.
Across Connecticut, salt has become the hot ticket item to battle the wintry conditions many will wake up to on Thursday. Steady streams of customers have grabbed what they could off of store shelves, which has left some stores bare, and people like Marcia Taub glad to see some left at Cat's Ace hardware store in Glastonbury.
So I went to 2 places, they were out of salt.
Nothing.
Out. I shouldn't have gone to the other places, I should have just come here.
It just flies off the shelves. People come in and they're grabbing everything.
Calvin Krieger helps manage the team alongside his dad at Cat's.
If you put this down, it'll melt through almost anything.
Krieger says the store has had to increase its orders of ice melting solutions in order to meet demand. Demand that will continue until the storm passes.
It's the days leading up that are crazy. We did a couple orders today, yesterday. We've got product coming in all the time.
Salt also now a top priority for Connecticut's Department of Transportation. DOT spokesperson Josh Morgan says crews were plenty busy Wednesday, loading more than 600 trucks with salt, fitting them with plows, and getting ready for what's to come.
When that call comes in at 3, 4 in the morning on Thursday, they'll come in, drop their bags, get in their trucks, and head out on the road. So it looks like it's going to be impacting the Thursday morning rush hour commute. So we are advising the public if they can delay travel in the morning, if they can work from home or stay home, that would be super helpful for us.
The good news is even if you do end up buying too much salt or have some left over, you can still save it for the next winter storm, even if it's next year. If you buy it in a bag, you just want to make sure you store it in a bucket, and that way you'll have it protected from the elements, ready to go for next time. But for now in Glastonbury, Stephen Reels, Fox 61.
And be sure to check in with the Fox 61 Morning News starting at 4 a.m. tomorrow. We'll update you as conditions change throughout the day. You can also download the free Fox 61 News app to keep up with our weather impact team anywhere, anytime.